package I got from the Dollar Brush. I've never had an electric toothbrush before. I've always been curious to try it, but they make it super easy and super affordable because it's only $2.99 a month, and they send you this, the heads, and everything.
I am super excited about this electric toothbrush because I usually just buy like a big 5-pack from CVS or Walmart or whatever, but this, game changer.
You guys, meet my first electric toothbrush.
The Dollar Brush.
Dollar Brush. It's called the Dollar Brush.
And it comes with a charger, the toothbrush, and some bristles in here, and the travel case, and it's actually super affordable, you guys.
And I love that they do the hard work for you.
They send you new heads every 6 months.
And also, they replace the entire brush every 2 years.
All you have to worry about is taking care of these pearly whites.
The best thing about this toothbrush is just how amazing it is.
It's been really nice on my gums, but it does a really, really thorough job cleaning my teeth.
I absolutely love this product.
Super cool product. Not just your average toothbrush.